in this video we are going to understand about the corona data analysis in a subject probability modeling and reasoning using the Python. So we have the objective of our whatever study that we have done. So we have to explore the COVID-19 data, we have to just perform the EDA exploratory data analysis using the Python and its libraries, and we are just going to identify the patterns of the COVID-19 and also going to predict some of the future outcomes like survival rate and the mortality rate by looking at the data. So moving next, so the library which we have used is pandas, matplotlib and the seaborn. So pandas is used for the managing the data frame, the matplotlib and the seaborn is for the data visualization. So the population, the first of all we will find the population from our data set. So we can use a variable to store the one column of the country and the another column of the population, and then we have just performed the code in a Jupyter notebook, and we have just pasted a screenshot of that code. So you can also just write the code if you have the data set, and otherwise I will just provide you the GitHub link at the end of the video of this analysis. So first we will find the a population, like which country is having the highest population. So according to our data set, the country with the largest population is India with a given figure. So for that we will just find the population, because to analyze further in our data set we need the population. If you don't know the population, how we will find out other factors like survival rate and the mortality rate. So the next is test performed. So the test perform is also important. Like if a country is not performing the test, that means that country will not get the more and more positive results. So it is more important factor. So the highest test is in USA with a given figure count. So it will help to understand that how the corona is spreaded in the country, and the total death happened in a country can also be analyzed by given data set that we have given. Like the highest death is in USA with the given count. This will give a roughly idea which country is more affected by the corona. So the next we have the survival rate according to the total cases observed. So this we are finding the survival rate. Survival rate is something we are finding the probability of the a person is surviving. So how we'll find that? We'll first find the probability of the person will die, like number of favorable outcome divided by number of total outcome, and then we'll just find the inverse, like 1 minus the what is the probability of the death if a person will die, will give you the survival rate, and this all we got. So the lowest survival rate is of Yemen, and the highest survival rate is of our West Sahara. So we are also using the visualization, as I have told you that we are using the SNS seaborn library as SNS alias. So we are also using the matplotlib for our this visualization. So we have got a simple visualization like the top 10 countries by the total death. So USA is as you can see from the figure is at the highest, and Iran is in the top 10 list is at the lowest, and India is somewhere lies between after UK 1 2 3 4 and the fifth number. So the next is total test. The total test is performed by USA as the maximum number, as we have also seen in our analysis, and it is also confirmed in our visualization. So this is the top 10 countries which perform the total test. Visualization make it easy to for any non-technical person to understand the data. So this is the total cases versus total death graph. So here we have the 7 continent, and we have also the plotted graph, a scatter plot that is confirming the total cases and the total death figure we can also find out from here. So the mortality rate is something called the chance of a person is dying, or a person is having the corona is alive or dead. So this is whatever the mortality rate. So it is highest in the Yemen. So that was all about the project corona data analysis. So see you in our next video, and you can check this GitHub link that I have also mentioned here. So you will get that presentation file, and also you can get that whatever our Jupyter notebook for file that is filled with all the analysis, and also the data set is also attached in on that GitHub, so you can get that here. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.